Like IMD had earlier forecasted, a severe weather system has formed over Southeast Arabian Sea, which intensified into a low pressure area. And on today morning, that is on 15th morning, it is it is over Southeast Arabian Sea as a depression. So this system is expected to intensify further. It is expected to move initially northeastward for a smaller duration and then move northwestward parallel to the western coast of the country and reach near Gujarat coast by around 17th and 18th of May. So when this system is moving northwestward, it's also going to intensify further. The depression state is going to further intensify into deep depression, and by tomorrow morning, that is on 15th morning, early morning, it is going to intensify into a cyclone. It will still further intensify in the coming hours and coming days. So when this system is over the Arabian Sea, East Central Arabian Sea, near to the coast of Goa, its wind speed over the sea is going to be around 90 to 100 kilometers per hour tomorrow. And on 16th over the sea, please note, over the sea the wind speed is going to be around 100 to 120 kilometers on 16th May. So accordingly, the wind speed over the coastal region of Goa is also going to increase, and with that the rainfall activity also is going to increase over Goa from tomorrow onwards. For tomorrow on 15th of May, IMD has issued a orange colored warning, which means very heavy rainfall. Rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters in 24 hours is very likely at a few places. Heavy to very heavy rainfall is very likely at a few places on 15th, and on 16th heavy to very heavy rainfall is very likely at isolated places over north and south Goa districts of the state. Now apart from that, the other thing that can have a major impact is the wind speed. When the system is in the form of a cyclone on 15th, wind speed along and off the coast of Goa is going to be 40 to 50 kilometers per hour and gusting up to 60 kilometers per hour. And it is further going to increase on 16th when it will be 60 to 70 kilometers per hour gusting to 80 kilometers per hour. So this is serious wind speed, and this can cause uprooting of trees, and weak structures also may get collapsed in this strong wind speed. So precautions should be taken by the public so that they stay away from such weak structures or vulnerable structures for their safety. Along with that, the rainfall activity is also going to have impact in these 2 days. Further onwards, from 17th onwards, the rainfall activity is going to decrease. So will be the wind speed. And the other thing to note is that fishermen are strictly advised that they should not venture into sea from 14th May to 18th May along and off the coast of Goa, coast of Karnataka, coast of Konkan, coast of Gujarat. To none of these places they should venture from 14th to 18th of May, and whoever there is in the sea are already requested to come back to the coast for their safety. No, there is a difference. When we say cyclone will hit a place, that means the cyclone's track will cross over to the landmass. That is not going to happen here. At any time, cyclone will be away from Goa and over the sea. Only the distance will be varying. The lowest distance that can come with Goa's coast in this entire track would be 150 to 200 kilometers. But again, it is requested that since this system is intensifying and it is continuously moving, it's a dynamic system. So please be regularly updated with the warnings and forecast IMD gives for the public, because this track and its intensity depends a lot on its position at that particular instance of observation.
So I think actually impact will be that the cyclone impact will be there for Goa.
Yes, impact will be there because of this strong wind speeds. Like I told, 60 to 70 gusting to 80 is comparatively higher wind speed for, and it may have some impact on safety if there are weak trees or weak structures. Such weak trees or structures can get uprooted. Structures may collapse in such strong winds. And apart from that, the sea area near sea condition is going to be high to very the exact time is very rough to high. Sea condition will be very rough to high on 15th and 16th, and there could be wave surges along the coast of North and South Goa districts. So these all will be the impacts along with the increased rainfall and increased wind speed.
So people who are staying near the coastal belt, is there any warning for these people?
There is no specific warning for coastal region apart from this wind speed and rainfall information, but it is requested that they follow to the instructions of state disaster management authority or government state government administration. Apart from that, there is no specific warning, but they have to take care that there could be, as it happens with every cyclone passing near the coast, there could be wave surges when the cyclone system is passing near the coast of Goa. This is the forecasted track of cyclone. Like I mentioned, initially it's going to move slightly northeastward, then turning to northwestward direction and passing parallel to Goa. So like you asked, there is no heating of cyclone over the coast. It is always going to be parallel to the coast, away from the coast, but only thing is the distance from the coast may vary as it moves along the track, and based on that distance, impacts also will vary. Initially, when this system, when tomorrow morning, when we are talking about tomorrow morning, 15th morning, after becoming cyclone, when it is around this area, the distance from coast will be the lowest and impact will be highest, and that will continue up to 16th May as well.
तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो, त्याच बरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरुवात आणि लेहंगा 3000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरुवात, शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घरपण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मूर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
Handicraft shopping only at Bombay Bazaar.